hearing guilty pleas to entering them. A Galveston judge has pleaded guilty to committing some crimes and is stepping down from the bench. John Donnelly is live in the newsroom with more on Judge Chris Dupuy's resignation. John.
Some lawyers in Galveston have been trying to get Dupuy removed from the bench for years for what they say was his erratic and abusive behavior. And tonight they are savoring this victory.
It's been a harrowing experience.
Attorney Lori Laird says she found herself the focus of Judge Dupuy's wrath when she represented his ex-wife in a custody case. She says the judge filed untrue ethics complaints about her, false criminal charges, and even tried to throw her in jail for 220 days and leveled fines. She's not the only lawyer who had a run-in with Dupuy.
He started this entire process by calling me one day and threatening me and telling me that I was a scumbag and that he would remember me if I ever returned to his court.
Lawyers complained he would harass and intimidate them and retaliate against ones he didn't like. Lawyers filed a civil petition and started a website to have him removed. And right before a custody hearing, Texas Rangers swooped in and arrested him. He was charged with 4 felonies for his behavior. He's also been accused by lawyers and people before him of giving favorable rulings to his Facebook friends. Today, he pleaded guilty to perjury and misuse of government property, both misdemeanors.
I am very happy. He's been part of the overall process was his agreement to step down as judge. So he is no longer judge. So that battle to remove him has ceased.
Assistant Attorney General David Glickler prosecuted Dupuy. The plea deal means he'll be on probation for 2 years and he'll have to leave everybody involved in the matter alone or risk jail time.
The legal system today won, in my opinion. He stood up in court and signed a document in which he admitted that he was guilty of some of the most severe charges against him, one of which is perjury, which should show that, when he goes out and says anything he wants to say, he's a convicted liar.
However, Dupuy's lawyer says it's important to note that although he was charged with 4 felonies, he pled guilty to just 2 misdemeanors, and that should tell you something.
He's a loving father and a good person. Did he make some mistakes and some bad decisions? Absolutely. But he's not the monster that everybody kind of portrayed him as.
Dupuy is currently in jail because he violated a gag order in the case. He's going to get out on Sunday.